lack of knowledge your challenge to make money? Hi, my name is Jessie D'Souza and I am a digital business coach for women, and I help women make money using skills, knowledge and expertise. I cannot make money. I do not know how to use tools and software, and I do not have in-depth knowledge about certain concepts. Can I still make money? This is the question that I am asked in my community as well as outside my community every single time. And the answer is yes. You can absolutely make money even if you do not know the tools and software. But the truth is, you have to learn the tools and software. And when I say you have to learn the tools, it's not a rocket science to learn the tools. It is very easy because you have plenty of resources online to learn the tools. You just need to be committed to make it. Here are 3 steps that can help you gain mastery in your craft. Step number 1 is you need to understand and accept the fact that you have to unlearn and relearn a lot of things in your business, and that is fundamental. You have to unlearn. Number 2, write down the concepts that you want to learn and write your queries in the form of a question so that it is easy for you to search in the internet. There are platforms like Udemy, Coursera and LinkedIn Learning where you could literally learn anything and everything. Start learning, make notes and experiment with it. Now if the learning module says that you have to create a Facebook page and optimize it, just do it. Do not overthink about these tasks, or do not say to yourself that, oh, this is something that I've never done it, I don't think I can do it. Never ever do that, because this is the learning phase and you got to learn if you want to master your craft. Teach what you learn to a small group of people and take feedback from them. Now this feedback will help you improve on your learning materials as well as methods. Once you have enough confidence, you can start a workshop and charge a nominal fee for the workshop and run this workshop for 2 to 3 hours every week. And you can repeat this every single week until you get very good reviews. So you can do this for about 12 weeks so that you can really practice your skills. And in the next 12 weeks, when you actually master your craft, people will want to learn more from you. So at that point of time, you can revamp the whole workshop and make it as a course, and you will have a lot of demand for this kind of course because you have learned, you have experimented, as well as you know how to get results for your students because you have done so many workshops for your students. Do you want to know how you can do this step by step with a lot of guidance and support from a mentor and a huge community? Then you got to join Freedompreneur by Design. That's a free community where we discuss a lot about these things in depth, and you will enjoy that. So I will be putting the link in the description, so please go and join the group and I will see you inside the group.